You can play on this tiny, tiny screen, but I don't understand why anyone would when you could play on this bigger, beautiful screen, right? Hello everyone, Slick4Tech here. In today's video we have the Samsung Galaxy Fold with the Snapdragon 855 processor. And this is the Fold because obviously it can fold, as you can see. And in today's video we will be testing the Black Desert Online Gamebench Pro we will be using so we can measure the FPS counters there, and of course we have this as well, which is the temperature of the device, CPU and the battery temperature and the RAM usage in the middle. Settings, graphics, custom high, max setting, high, max setting. Everything is on max settings, so hopefully this should give you an idea of how this will run on the Snapdragon 855. So let's get started. I could zoom in as well a bit.
Father says people like you have extraordinary abilities. My father, he's an extraordinary man. He's coming to Velia. You've entered Fox territory.
Let's kill some. So as you see, it is obviously very well optimized since we're getting a stable 60 FPS with no frame drops whatsoever.
Father often provides a helping hand to those in need. Even I only get to see him once or twice a year.
Nice, beautiful graphics and 60 FPS gameplay.
Father wrote? I remember something from the ancient texts. You're one of those adventurers, right? You shouldn't have much trouble dealing with them.
You could download this from the Google Play Store. Just came out, I think, last week. I pre-registered for this a while ago though, so don't think it makes any difference. Hopefully I don't die. Level up. This game has been so well optimized that it's running just so smooth. I'm sure even older devices can play this well too.
That's amazing! You can see the Black Spirit? I imagine your pet has been quite useful to you. Adventurer! But I don't... Could you go feed them in...
Now again, if you like to, you can play on the smaller screen on the back of the Galaxy Fold, but I don't understand why anyone would. Whoa. As you can see, there are still some frame drops, like 57 FPS or so, but most of the time it's pretty stable at 60 FPS. So pretty impressive from the creators of Black Desert Online, as expected.
Adventurer, do you like this little fella? Sure likes following you around.
So hopefully this video was useful. Again, I said this before as well. Let's stop the video first, so you could also see some settings. As you see, temperature did go up quite a bit, but not too much. Here we could see performance 59 FPS stable, and RAM not that much used. Battery doesn't say too much. Frame rate, you could see it was pretty stable. Battery life, how much is that? It says 31% per hour, as expected from these kinds of games. So that's good. Now, in case you are wondering, yes, if you close this beautiful phone, you can still use it and play on this part. But honestly, I don't understand why anyone would. See? You can play on this tiny screen, but I don't understand why anyone would when you could play on this bigger, beautiful screen, right? Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Need as many subscribers as I can get to 1,000 subs. I am a new YouTuber. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. And if you can, comment. And of course, feel free to check out my website, slick4tech.com, for the latest tech news, reviews, gaming videos, and etc. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.